We have the State Returning Officer, Professor Farouk Adamu Kuta. You are welcome, sir. We have Director of State Security, Mr. Chuks Amnukuso. Is representing Mrs. Maria Ene. You are welcome, sir. We also have the election support, Mr. Sheun Ogundije. You are welcome, sir. Members of INEC present, members of press, political party and civil society, you are all welcome to
the Honorable National Commissioner supervising Edo State, the Honorable National Commissioner in charge of voters education, the Honorable National Commissioner and the Chairman of the Electoral Matters, the returning officer of today's event, Professor Farouk Adamu Kuta, the DSS Director's representative, the support, election support, the media, the political parties, the society group, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you. My assignment today is very simple. Simple in the sense that today we shall be witnessing the 13th item in our program or activity of program. It will be recalled that the Commission on 26th day of September 2003 published timetable and program of activity. We have conducted all of them seamlessly, and today, by the grace of God, we shall do the last one, which is election and declaration of result. Let me advise you too that when the returning officer will be calling the result, please be patient. INEC will have promised you that we will conduct an election that is free, fair, credible, and all-inclusive. We also promise the people of Edo that nothing will make us to fail them. The election has been conducted, and you will see, you will soon hear the result. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Returning officer, national commissioners present, our REC of Edo present, representative of the CP, representative of the DSS, of all preparations that we have done over 1 year. We conducted election yesterday, which was the last activity scheduled for the preparations. We are here to collate what we have gathered from the local government areas. I believe that our uploading of results into the IREV was excellent, and I know that all of us here, we have already entered the IREV to see what is there. There is nothing to hide. We are transparent, but here we also just want to collate what they have already collated at the LGAs, and then the final results will be announced. But I want to tell us that as we continue, already we have about 14 or 15 results ready. As we continue, others will come in. I want to assure you that the right thing has been done, and that everybody should exercise patience and be civil, that at the end of this exercise, everybody will be happy and we will go home happy. Welcome you once again to this very collation exercise that we have come. Thank you very much.
We want to also recognize the presence of the political parties here. Please, you can stand up for recognition.
Good morning. My name is Jared Tinnip. I am representing All Progressive Congress, APC. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I want to stand on the already existing protocol. I remain my humble self, Honorable Ambassador Morugbe Joseph, Edo State Chairman, Accord. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Greg Ibinowaya. I'm the chairman of People's Redemption Party in Edo State.
Good morning. My name is Chief Efe Tobo. I'm the state coalition agent of APP.
Tony Osaibowe, PhD. I'm the state coalition agent for People's Democratic Party, PDP.
My name is Barrister President Ike Boha. I stand in for Zenith Labour Party.
My name is Agatise Rafe. I'm the state officer for New Nigerian People's Party, NNPP. Thank you.
Any other party present? Please, let's recognize the Commandant, Agu Benga, and NSCDC, Edo State. Sir, you are welcome.
Good afternoon, all. It is my pleasure to introduce the returning officer of yesterday's election, in person of Professor Farouk Musa Adamu, the Vice Chancellor of Federal University of Technology, Mina. So you are welcome, sir.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everybody. I want to believe that the protocol has been duly established. And on the strength of that, we want to start straight away. Again, let me correct one impression. The full names is, I am Professor Farouk Adamukuta, the Vice Chancellor of Federal University of Technology, Mina in Niger State. And for today, I am the State Returning Officer for Edo State gubernatorial election that took place yesterday, the 21st September 2024. The rules of the games are very simple, and I pray that all of us will understand the situations at hand. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of our being here is simple. We are to collate results that have been assembled at the local government level. And so we'll put them together, and then at the final point, we add these figures together, and then we announce the winner of the election. Therefore, please, we will expect maturity, understanding, and please, whenever you want to raise issues, have it at the back of your mind that we are dealing with reality. These are votes that have been casted, they have been articulated, they've been collated, and they are here from the various local governments for us to put them together and then announce the winner of the election. Please, 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 let's be civil, let's be mature, let's be decent, let's be very respectful in our approach. We are willing more than ever before to listen to each complaint, but in doing that, we will not waste much time because we have responsibility to collect these figures here. Thank you very much, and may God help us as we continue with this exercise. Thank you very much. So please, can we have the list of local government areas that are already with us and the votes have been reconciled? The list, please, so that we take them one by one. And please, for your information, the local government coalition officers, you cannot appear before us here without your EO, that is the electoral officer of that local government. And that is why we have about 2 chairs there. By the time you come, please help us introduce yourself and your status. The local government coalition officer and then the EO. We need to know their names, please. And that is how we'll be going. After the introduction, you tell us the number of wards, having given us the name of the local government. Tell us the number of wards in each local government or the local government you covered. And then you now begin to tell us the total number of registered voters, and in that order, up to, the point at which all the political parties, the votes they are able to gather. And I think that is the way we will be going. It will be very systematic. So I implore each and every one of us to be patient, please. Thank you very much. So, we have the first local government, Igwebe local government. Igwebe local government. Please pardon me, the pronunciation may be too. Igwebe local government, please. Where is the EO and then the local government returning officer, please? Collation officer. Sorry. The EO, please tell us your name, and then the local government collation officer will also introduce himself, please. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Amula Ointari, electoral officer of Igweben local government. My name is Amula Ointari, the electoral officer of Igweben local government.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Professor Haruna Ibrahim from the Federal University of Technology, Mina. I served as the local government collation officer for Igweben local government area in the gubernatorial election that was held yesterday, 21st of September 2024. Igweben has 10 wards. Elections were conducted successfully. Results were collated, and the following details I will present. Number of registered voters stood at 54549. 54549.
54545. Please take it again.
54,549. 54549.
That's okay.
Number of accredited voters 15,274. 15274. The parties performed as follows. Party AA. Party A scored 1 vote. 1 vote. AA scored 0. Party AAC scored 4 votes. 4 votes. ADC scored 49 votes. 49. ADP 18 votes. 18. APC scored 5907. 5907. ABGA 10 votes. 10 votes. APM 0. Party APP 2 votes. BP 3 votes. 3 votes. LP 494. 494. NNPP scored 5 votes. 5 votes. NRM 13 votes. 13. PDP scored 8470 votes. 8470. PRP 10 votes. 10 votes. SDP 1 vote. YPP 2 votes. ZLP 0. Total valid votes stood at 14,989. 14989. 278 votes were rejected. 278. The total vote cast stood at 15,267. 15267. I so present.
Thank you. The LGA Collation Officer, please, was there any polling unit or ward whose election was cancelled?
There was no cancellation.
Fine. All right. Party agents, please. Party agents. Party agents, please. Any observation, comments? Thank you very much. Please, the local government coalition officer, you can present. No, please don't go. Let us have the result, the original copy. Thank you very much. Asian Waste. Asian Waste. Yeah, please, the EO, introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the local government collation officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Obino Sebastian. Obino Sebastian. I'm the electoral officer of Esan West local government area.
Thank you, sirs. I am Professor Ojo Michael Akindele from the Federal University of Technology, Mina, Niger State. I served as the coalition officer for Esan West local government. In this local government, we have 10 wards. 10 wards. And the results are as follows. The number of registered voters, 113,057. 113,067. 067, sorry. Then the total number of accredited voters, 25,702. 25,702. And the votes received by political parties as follows. Party A, 0. Party A, 0. Party AA, 2. Party AA, 2. Party AAC, 11, 1. Then Party ADC, 87, 87. Party ADP, 39. Party ADP, 39. Party APC, 12,952. APC, 12,952. Then ABGA, 23. ABGA, 23. Then APM, 12, 12. APP, 0. APP, 0. BP, 4. BP, 4. LP, 342. 342. NNPP, 8. NNPP, 8. Then we have NRN, 121. 121. PDP, 11004. 11,004. PRP 72. Then SDP 2, SDP 2, YPP 9, YPP 9, ZLP 3, ZLP 3. Total valid vote 24,691. 24,691. Rejected votes 693. 693. Then total vote cast 25,384. 25,384. Signed by me and the party agents.
Thank you very much. Thank you, the local government coalition officer. Again, I asked, was there any polling unit or ward whose result was cancelled?
No, sir.
Fine. Thank you very much. Party agents, please. Observe any comments? No comments. Thank you very much. So, thank you very much, Asian West. On one West. All right, so please introduce yourself. You hand over the mic to the local government coalition officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Udo.
Please,
Odudu.
one house, the gentlemen of the praise, please. One house. Can we have one house, please? Gentlemen of the praise, please. Thank you, sir.
My name is Udo Odudu, SE, Electoral Officer, Onwa West Local Government Area. Thank you.
My name is Professor Abdulkarim Ambalisaka. I'm the Collation Officer for Owan West Local Government Area with 11 registration area. The result of the election conducted yesterday, being 21st of September 2024, are as follows. Number of registered voters, 67,076. 67076. 67076. Number of accredited voters, 24,311. 24311. Party A, 4 votes. Party A, 4 votes. Party AA, 1. Party AA, 1. Party AAC, 0. Party AAC, 0. Party ADC, 41 votes. Party ADC, 41 votes. Party ADP, 47 votes. Party ADP, 47. Party APC, 12,277. 12277. 12277. Afghan, 12. Afghan, 12. APM, 0. APM, 0. APP, 0. APP, 0. Party BP, 1. Party BP, 1. Party LP, 201. Party LP 201. Party LP 201. Party NNPP 2. NNPP 2. NRM 21. NRM 21. PDP 11284. PDP 11,284. 11284. Party PRP 8. Party PRP 8. Party SDP 0. Party SDP 0. Party YPP 1. YPP 1 vote. ZLP 4 votes. CELP 4. Total valid vote 23,904. Total valid votes 23904. Rejected vote 391. Rejected vote 391. Total votes cast 24,295. Total vote cast 24295. Total vote cast 24295.
Wait, please. Total vote cast. Take it one by one, please.
Total valid vote 23904.
Yes.
23904.
Yeah.
Rejected vote 391.
Yes.
Total vote cast 24295. 24295.
Thank you. The government coalition officer, please. Was there any result that was cancelled?
No, sir.
And all right. So, party agents, please. Party agents, thank you very much. Thank you. The results. Ohuade, please permit me, the pronunciation may be faulty, please. Ohuande local government. Ohuade local government area, please. All right, please introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the local government coalition officer, please. Please, can we have one house, please? Gentlemen of the press, please, can we have one house, madam? I think we are here to listen to the votes that have been read out. Please, let's be quiet. Please go ahead, please.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Samuel Udo, electoral officer for Onwode local government area.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Professor Jimo Oladejo Tijani from Federal University of Technology, Minna, Niger State. I serve as the collation officer for Onwode local government area of Edo State yesterday. And here are the breakdown of the total number of registered voters.
Tell us the number of wards.
We have 10 wards. We have 10 wards in Umode.
All right.
Total number of registered voters 92,169. 92,169. Total number of accredited voters 20,044. Total number of accredited voters 20,044. Here are the breakdowns of the votes got by each party. Party A 04. Party A 04. Party AA is 04. Party AA is 04. Party AAC 11. Party AAC 11. Party ADC 125. Party ADC 125. Party ADP 32. Party ADP 32. Party APC 8776. Party APC 8776. Party ABGA 30. ABGA 30. Party APM 06. Party APM 06. Party APP is 04. Party APP is 04. Party BP is 01. Party BP is 01. LP 769. LP 769. NNPP 62. NNPP 62. NRM 24. NRM 24. PDP 9339. PDP 9339. PRP 13. PRP 13. SDP 00. SDP 00. YPP 10. YPP 10. ZLP 13. ZLP 13. Total valid votes 19223. Total valid votes 19223. Rejected votes 553. Rejected votes 553. Total vote cast 19776. Total vote cast 19776. This result was signed by me and all the party agents present. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Was there any polling unit or ward whose result was cancelled?
None, sir.
Comments from the political parties, please. Yes, please. Mike, give him the mic. Somebody to help.
Good morning, everybody. I'd just like to state, I know you're here for collation. As you mentioned earlier, I just want to put you on notice that as someone who has read manufacturing engineering, to manufacture is to make things on a large scale. The votes for APC in Uwode have been inflated. Same thing with Igwebe. I just want to put you on notice. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. Please, do you have something different?
Well, I am representing APC.
All right, sir.
The votes, as announced, are the proper vote casted and are the correct votes. So I don't know where.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Any other comments? So please, Collation Officer LGA, please. Thank you. Ovia Northeast. Ovia Northeast. Ovia Northeast. So, EO, introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the local government collation officer. Please, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anefiok Mark Chira, the electoral officer of Ovia Northeast.
My name is Professor Job Madu, a professor of cultural economics from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I serve as the collation officer for Ovia Northeast local government with 13 areas, 13 wards, for which I now present the results.
Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
Number of registered voters, 177,106. 177,106. Number of accredited voters, 32,441. 32,441. Then number received by the various political parties. Party A, 17. Party A, 17. Party AA, 08. Party AA, 08.
Please talk to the very well.
Okay. Party AA, 08. Party AAC, 24. Party AAC, 24. Party ADC, 187. Party ADC, 187. Party ADP, 90. Party ADP, 90. Party APC, 13225. Party APC, 13225. Party ABGA, 48. Party ABGA, 48. Party APM, 13. Party APM, 13. Party APP, 09.
Please take it again. One.
Okay.
A what?
APM, 13. APM, 13. Can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. APP, 09. APP, 09. BP, 12. BP, 12. LP 1675. LP 1675. NNPP 37. NNPP 37. NRM 40. NRM 40. PDP 15311. 15311. PRP 34. 34. SDP 04. YPP 23. YPP 23. ZLP 26. ZLP 26. Total valid votes 30783. 30783. Rejected votes 1312. Rejected votes 1312. Total votes cast 32097. 32095, not 7. 32095. Sorry for that. 095. 32095, not 97. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. LGA officer.
Yes.
Was there any place where results was cancelled?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Party agents, comments, please. Yes, please. Please identify yourself, tell us your name, and then the party you are standing in for. Thank you.
Dr. Tony Osaigbobo Iyoha. I represent the People's Democratic Party. Ovia Northeast, sir, I wish to put on notice that there was no BVAS accreditation, and our results were just assigned in Ward 2, Unit 6. In Ward 5, Unit 12 and 13, there was overvoting. The votes returned were more than the votes BVAS accredited. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Any other observation? Please, I don't think, you want to, there is no point.
Yes, because I don't know where he will continue.
No. We are dealing with a reality. Please,
I also want to observe. I also want to observe, please.
Okay, please.
I would understand the reason why he would start saying what BVAS accredited and what BVAS did not accredit. My observation is the results as announced from what we got from our agent from the wards tally with what is just announced here. That's what I want to
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Please. The LGA Collation officer, can you? Oh, you. No, sir. I don't think this place is for us to.
When somebody
please make
say something, it's good I respond. Maybe we need to educate him. I think somebody, excuse me, you have somebody from voter education here. You set guidelines, sir, as INEC. When you set guidelines, we expect that the least you can do in a process like this is to follow your guidelines, the rules, the law. So if
thank you very
somebody
much.
that is representing the APC doesn't know
thank
the
you
laws and
very
is
much.
asking why, it means that, well, I don't know.
I think you
I've made my point. Thank you.
Please, I can see somebody at the extreme end. The man in white, please.
Thank you, Prof. My name is President Agboha. I'm from the ZLP. My observation is that the cancelled vote is too high. It's over 1,000 votes.
Which one is cancelled? Is it rejected votes?
Rejected votes. It's so high for that area. So we are thinking that if you can use the administrative office to also check what may be wrong with those votes and also inquire into the objection already being raised by the PDP before you conclude on the vote.
It is not yet. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Please. Okay, we have the next local government is Ishan Southeast. Ishan Southeast. All right, you know the protocol. Tell us your name, the EO, after which you hand over the mic to the local government coalition officer. Thank you very much.
Good day, everyone. My name is Uduak Umo, electoral officer South.
Good day, all. My name is Professor Ikechukwu Diobu from the Federal University of Technology, Mina. I'm the local government coalition officer for Esan Southeast in the 2024 EDO governorship election. There are 10 registration areas in the local government.
Please go ahead.
Number of registered voters, 90240. 90240. Number of accredited voters, 2 3.
Please, let's have one house. Let's have one house, please.
Number of accredited voters, 2 3 390.
Please take it again.
2 3 390.
All right.
The votes for the various parties are as follows: A 0, AA 2, AAC 21, ADC 23, ADP 707, APC 8398, 8398, 8,398, APGA 18, APM 0, APP 0, BP 1, LP 98.
Sorry, please. APP is what?
0. BP 1. LP 98. NNPP 0. NRM 7. PDP 14199, 14199, 14,199.
Yeah.
PRP 3, SDP 0, ZPP 1, ZLP 2. Total valid votes 22780. 22780. Rejected votes 356. 356.
Yes.
Total votes cast 23136. 23136. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Was there any ward polling unit whose result was cancelled and reason for the cancellation, if any?
None.
None?
None.
Thank you. Party agents, please. All right. Thank you. Please, you may come forward to present the result. Ego local government. Ego. That's all right. Yes, please.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Boma Bamson, Electoral Officer, Ego, local government area.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Professor John Adama from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I was the collation officer for EGO LGA. And in EGO LGA, we have 10 registration areas. And the results are as follows. Number of registered voters 242 266. 242 266. Number of accredited voters 354 63. Number of accredited voters 354 63. The votes for all the parties that participated in the elections as at yesterday are as follows. A party 14 votes. AA party 03 votes. AAC.
Sorry, please go slow.
Okay, sir. I rewind.
Yes, please.
A party 14 votes. A party 14 votes. AA party 03 votes. AA party 03 votes. AAC 18 votes. AAC 18 votes. ADC 195. ADC 195. ADP 70 votes. ADP 70. APC 16760. APC 16760. ABGA 48. ABGA 48. APM 08. APM 08. APP 13. APP 13. BP 28. BP 28. LP 1966. LP 1966, NNPP 43, NNPP 43, NRM 95, NRM 95, PDP 14658, PDP 14658, PRP 46, PRP 46, SDP 03, SDP 03, YPP 31, YPP 31, ZLP 23, ZLP 23. Total valid votes 34022. Total valid votes 34022. Rejected votes 1018. Rejected votes 1018. Total votes cast 35040. Total votes cast 35040. And the agents present, they endorse the results accordingly.
Thank you very much. The LGA Collation Officer, was there any polling unit or ward whose result was cancelled?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Party agents, please. Yes, please.
Again, my name is Tony Osaigbovoyo. I represent the PDP. And growing up, I used to hear that fella music where they say government magic. This is another case of manufacturing. The PDP clearly won the elections in EDO. We have proof. And it also, I must bring to your notice, sir, that against your own laws, the collation for the local government that is supposed to, by your law here, be done at the local government, wasn't allowed to be done there. The first materials and your officers from INEC to come to this place yesterday, while the process was still ongoing, which is against your very clear laws here. We want to go. INEC has again manufactured results that are going to be presented to you for collation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please, I hope it's not for countering, please. Give him mic, give him mic.
Well, the results as announced is a clear reflection of what happened in the field and what was collected. Those are the results. If there were skirmishes, it must be as a result of talks from the other side that were trying to swap on them.
Please,
when
let us not.
People,
please,
people
you have
that
made your,
kill
you have
the
made
police
your point.
that are wanted as agents.
Made your point. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please.
Thank you very much. I remember my very humble self, Honorable Ambassador Morogba Joseph, just the chairman, Accord. I believe why we are here is for clarity. And if anybody is raising any observation, it is clear that that person has an issue which you want to buttress. I think it isn't wise, it is not wise for any other person to stand up and start countering it, because it will result to fiasco. And that is why we are for peace and we are for integrity.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please. The last man there, the man with the white, the last man.
Just one point, sir. My name is President Agboha. My observation is that the result uploaded in IRA for EGO is at adverse to what has just been declared. So you will use the administrative power under the law to also review it. That's our appeal. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Please hand over the mic. Yes, please. Take the mic and make your case.
Good afternoon, sir, Mr. Returning Officer. My name is Giwa Victor. I am one of the domestic observers from the civil society organization. Mr. Returning Officer, sir, my question is this. This is...
Please, what is it that you want to ask?
I want to add something on base of what was said.
You want to add?
No.
Or ask?
Ask, yes.
Please, go ahead.
Yes. What I'm saying is this, and the question is this. This action is both administrative and legal. I would expect that under the law, the Electoral Act Section 60, sub 5, if any party has anything counter to what has been announced, under the Electoral Act Section 65, it should, the agent, any of the agent who is here, should have identified that particular result for the purpose of the returning officer, because your duty here is collation. I think it is not enough for you to, for anybody to make an open allegation. I would have expected that any of the party agent should come with particulars. For example, in unit A, B, and C, I have the result here from our agent, and it's against what you have just announced, so that the coalition officer,
please,
the return officer can collate.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But please, ladies and gentlemen, let's understand something here. We are here to collect votes. If there are issues, please make it formal, so that we can make progress. I think that is just the way forward. Make it formal, and then we'll continue with our collation. Thank you very much, please. So, local government collation officer. Thank you. Akoko EDO. Akoko EDO local government.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mrs. Suleiman A. Blessing, Electoral Officer, Akuku Edo Local Government.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Solomon Dauda Musa from the Federal University of Technology, Mina. I was the collecting officer for the Akoko Edo Local Government Area Council. The council has 10 wards, and with the following votes. Number of registered voters, 144,379. 144,379. Number of accredited voters, 543,95. 543,95. Party A scored 13 votes. 1-3. Party A, 13 votes. Party AA, 16 votes. 1-6. 16 votes. Party AAC, 9 votes. 9 votes. Party ADC, 75 votes. 75 votes. Party ADP, 195 votes. 195 votes. Party APC, 34847 votes. 34847 votes. 34,847 votes. ABGA 59 votes. 59 votes. APM 1 vote. 1 vote. APP 4 votes. 4 votes. BP 2 votes. 2 votes. LP 2239 votes. 2239 votes. NNPP 15 votes. 15 votes. NRM 19 votes. 19 votes. PDP 15865. 15865. PRP 8 votes. 8 votes. SDP 155. 155. YPP 16. 16. ZLP.
Please take it slowly.
Okay.
The one before YPP, you said is what?
SDP.
Yes, please.
155 votes.
155
votes.
5 votes.
YPP.
Yes.
16 votes.
16.
ZLP.
Yes, please.
9 votes.
9 votes. Thank you.
Total valid votes 53547. 53547. 53547. Rejected votes 331. 331. Total vote cast 53878. 53878. The result sheet is duly signed by the party agents and myself, Professor Solomon Dauda Musa.
Thank you very much. Was there any polling unit or ward where results were cancelled?
We don't have cancellation, but we have some polling units that vote was not carried.
Any reason?
We have Ward 6, polling unit 1. The reason was there was a vehicle breakdown on the way to convey the voting materials.
Okay.
And total number of registered voters, 209.
What about the PVC collected?
100% 209.
Okay.
Then Ward 7, we have 2 polling units. Reason for voting not carried out was the ballot papers were missing for the 2 units. The number affected is 256 registered voters, cumulative for the 2 units.
256.
256.
Okay.
And then the total number of PVC collected, 256 as well.
Okay.
So total number of
don't worry, you have documents to support
Yes.
all the
Yes.
issues. Thank you very much. Comments from the party agents, please. Yes. Please introduce yourself and then the party you stand in. Sorry.
Again, my name is Tony Iyoha. I represent the PDP. I also want to put you on notice that even on IREV, we are seeing a unit where there are 77 people accredited, but APC was assigned a manufactured 107 votes. I will give a few others. In Oloma Okbe, Kakuma, we had a total accredited votes 0, no beavers. But the APC was assigned 800 votes. 800 manufactured votes. In another unit, beavers accredited 107. But the total votes cast was 638, where APC was assigned 365 manufactured votes. In another unit, where there were only 39 accredited voters, the APC were assigned a manufactured 419 votes. Several others where there was no beavers accreditation, APC was assigned 283 and 174 votes. However, I just want to put this to you. Let it be in your notice that this manufacturing will continue as we go on with this exercise. Because this is an exercise where agents of the PDP were locked out of collation process. We did not have agents when these results were being collated by INEC. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please, I don't want any counter. He has actually made his case.
Well, these matters that is raising because he called the APC were dealt with at the collation center. And I'm sure the copies that they are reading out here are matters that have been dealt with and all agents signed. And again, I don't know the beavers he was looking at. If he was looking at those beavers in government house, I don't know. The beavers we have tallies with what we have here. Thank you.
Please,
thank you,
just
sir.
make our
thank,
case.
Thank you, sir.
Very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you. Any other observation? Okay. The LGA collation officer, please. With all the necessary documents. Thank you. The next one is Asian Central. Asian Central local government. Asian.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is John Adie, the electoral officer for Asian Central local government area.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Professor Robert O. Opori from Federal University of Technology, Mina. Okay. Esan Central local government has 10 wards. Then the number of registered voters is 6, 8, 3, 3, 8. 6, 8, 3, 3, 8. Number of accredited voters is 2, 0, 5, 8, 0. 2, 0, 5, 8, 0. Votes. The parties have now. Part A is 2. Part A is 2. Part AA is 0. Part AA is 0. Part AAC is 9. Part AAC is 9. ADC is 81. That's 81. Part ADC is 81. ADP is 26. ADP 26. APC is 10990. 10990. ABGA 16. ABGA 16. APM 2. APM 2. APP 0. APP 0. BP 1. BP 1. LP 418. LP 418. NNPP 2. NNPP 2. NRM 16. NRM 16. PDP 8 6 1 8. PDP 8 6 1 8. PRP 7. PRP 7. SDP 0. SDP 0. YPP 6. YPP 6. ZLP 4. ZLP 4. Total valid votes 2 0 1 9 8. Total valid votes 2 0 1 9 8. Rejected votes 3 6 1. Rejected votes 3 6 1. Total votes cast 2 0 5 5 9. Total votes cast 2 0 5 5 9. Chairman, this is the result we have here.
Thank you.
And it is signed by myself, who is the collation officer of Esan Central, and the agents have also signed, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Was there any polling unit whose result was cancelled? And if what are the reasons?
Nothing, sir. No result cancelled, sir.
Thank
no
you.
center cancelled.
Thank you. Party agents, please. Yes, please.
Representing the PDP, my name is Tony Osaibo. INEC has manufactured again. I won't say much. This is ridiculous. These are not the results that obtained at the poll. So when the person reading out the scores tells us that they were signed, we all know where we are these documents. Because when you get to court, they are going to say, if you didn't sign, it doesn't invalidate the process. So please, I want to put it on notice that this result is far the worst that has been announced so far. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other observation? Thank you very much. The LGO Collation Officer, please, can you hand over the results to us? Thank you, Asian Central, Asian Northeast, Asian Northeast. Thank you. Where's the EO? The EO for East. Madam, the EO, tell us your name, and then you hand over the mic to the LGA Collation Officer. Thank you very much.
Okay. My name is Udwak Okon Obot, the Electoral Officer for Eastern Northeast.
Thank you. My name is Professor Ndanitsa Mohammed Atairu, a professor of agricultural economics from the Federal University of Technology, Mina. I'm the Collation Officer of Eastern Northeast. Eastern Northeast has a total of 11 wards. Now, informations. Number of registered voters, 106,280. 106,280. Number of accredited voters, 430. Number of accredited voters, 24430. Again, I say number of accredited voters, 430.
Please, sorry, please. Who is the person that said again? Please, nobody should interrupt the local government collation officer. The powers rest on the state returning officer, please. Please.
Now, scores by various political parties. Party A, 2. Party AA, 2. Party AAC, 13. Party AAC, 13. Party ADC, 100. Party ADC, 100. Party ADP, 48. Party ADP, 48 votes. Party APC, 10648. Party APC, 10648. Party APGA, 20. Party APGA, 20. Party APM, 8. Party APM, 8. Party APP, 3. Party APP, 3. Party BP, 1. Party BP, 1. Party LP, 194. Party LP, 194. Party NNPP, 8. Party NNPP, 8. Party NRM, 40. Party NRM, 40. Party PDP, 12522. Party PDP, 12522. Party PRP, 9. Party PRP, 9. Party SDP, 1. Party SDP, 1. Party YPP, 8. Party YPP, 8. Party ZLP, 10. Party ZLP, 10. Total valid votes, 23637. Total valid vote, 23637. Rejected votes, 674. Rejected votes, 674. Total votes cast, 24311. Total votes cast, 24311. And that is the result of this local government.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Please, was there any polling unit or ward where results were cancelled or there was no election? And if there is any, what are the reasons, please?
Not before my table, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, please, party agents, please. No, just sit down. Local government, sit down. Party agents. Yes, please.
I represent the APC. I just want to register my concern about these results. I will not be going into detail because we don't have certified true copies of the accredited voters from Beavers. So I'll be reserving that for another day. I just want to make it known. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other observation, please? Or the LGA Collation officer, can you present your results?
And I want to inform you that I signed this report and was signed by all the parties that were present, party agents. Thank you very much.
Ovia Southwest. Ovia Southwest. Yes, please. Madam, tell us your name, and then you hand over the mic to the LGA Collation officer. Thank you.
My name is Mrs. Major Akpe Onyebi Christie, the electoral officer, Ovia Southwest.
Thank you. My name is Professor Matthew Tikwangi Kolo, Professor of Radiation Physics from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I served as the collation officer for Ovia Southwest local government in the just concluded election that was held on Saturday, the 21st of September, 2020. Presented flowing are the details of the result. Number of registered voters: 1, 1, 2.
Sorry, before you go into that, the number of RAs words, please.
Sorry. Okay. The Ovia Southwest local government has total number of 10 words. 10 words. The number of registered voters: 1, 1, 2, 0, 9, 1. 1, 1, 2, 0, 9, 1. Number of accredited voters: 2, 3, 1, 9, 6. 2, 3, 1, 9, 6. Votes accrued to individual parties. Party A, 1, 5. Party A, 1, 5. Party AA, 0, 4. Party AA, 0, 4. AAC, 1, 0. AAC, 1, 0. ADC, 1, 3, 8. ADC, 1, 3, 8. ADP, 7, 1. ADP, 7, 1. APC, 1, 0, 1, 5, 0. APC, 1, 0, 1, 5, 0. APGA, APGA, 4, 0. 4, 0. APM, 1, 3. APM, 1, 3. APP, 0, 7. APP, 0, 7. BP, 1, 0. BP, 1, 0. LP, 8, 4, 9. LP, 8, 4, 9. NNPP, 1, 8. NNPP, 1, 8. NRM, 3, 6. NRM, 3, 6. PDP, 1, 0, 2, 6, 0. PDP, 1, 0, 2, 6, 0. PRP, 4, 4. PRP, 4, 4. SDP, 0, 3.
Sorry, PRP,
4, 4. PRP, 4, 4.
Yeah, please.
SDP, 0, 3. SDP, 0, 3. YPP, 2, 3. YPP, 2, 3. ZLP 19. ZLP 19. Total valid votes 21710. Total valid votes 21710. Rejected votes 1086. Rejected votes 1086. Total votes cast 22796. Total vote cast 22796. The result was signed by me as the collation officer and the other party agents that were present. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Professor. Thank you. Please, was there any polling unit or ward where the result was cancelled or there was no election? And the reason, if there is any, please.
There was none.
Thank you. Party agents, please. Party agents. Right up, okay. The man at the extreme end.
Thank you, the returning officer. My name is President Ike Bokan. I'm for the ZLP. I'm concerned with the rejected votes, over 5%. And we are saying that if that rejected vote is looked into, we may have gotten more votes. But importantly, is that the INEC should also take responsibility on voters' education. That if we can have 5% of votes rejected, that is a big issue for INEC. Thank you.
My brother, I think I want to differ with you a little bit. It is not only INEC that should educate Nigerians on how to vote. The party, beside the presentation of their manifestos, they also have responsibility to educate the voters. Please, I think it's also very important, so that at the end of it, you will now begin to key in those type of voter education in your programs when you are embarking on a presentation of manifestos. Thank you very much. All right, sir, please.
Importantly, I remain Honorable Ambassador Morogbe Joseph Biako, Chairman. Still on voters' education, you can see that the bogus numbers of this rejected vote is coming from the very rural, remote areas, and that is where voter education is play very pivotal roles. Apart from the political party doing the duty which assigned them, equally, INEC as the umpire has that greater role to play. It's not just for the political party alone, because this party particular numbers, the percentage is very high. It's coming from the
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, please. Thank you. Thank you. The LGA Collation Officer, please present the result. Thank you. Or here one local government area, or here one local government area, please. Yes, please. The EO.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Williams Alamina, Electoral Officer, Orewan Local Government.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Musa Al-Hassan, a professor of civil engineering from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I serve as the coalition officer for Orea Mon local government. And here are the result of the election conducted, governorship election conducted on 21st September 2024. The local government has a total of 12 RA, 12 wards. Total number of registered voters, 139260. 139260. Accredited voters, 33196. 33196. Party A had 8 votes. A, 8 votes. AA, 1. AA, 1. AAC, 6. AAC, 6. ADC, 139. ADC, 139. ADP, 44. ADP, 44. APC, 16059. 16059. ABGA, 29. ABGA, 29. APM, 14. APM, 14. APP, 8. APP, 8. BP, 13. BP, 13. LP, 556. LP, 556. NNPP, 6. NNPP, 6. NRM, 35. NRM, 35. PDP, 14614. PDP, 14614. PRP, 7. PRP, 7. SDP, 3. SDP, 3. YPP, 1, 2. YPP, 1, 2. ZLP, 5. ZLP, 5. Total valid votes, 31559. 31559. Rejected votes, 1091. 1091. Total vote cast, 32650. 32650. The result was duly signed by me and all the political party agents present. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. The AGA Collation for 01 Okay, Orion 1 local government. Was there any polling unit ward where there was no election or the results were cancelled?
Yes, sir. There was one polling unit in Ugboko RA.
What's the reason for? Was it cancellation or there was no?
The area was not accessible by the electoral officers, so they were not able to deliver material to the site. So election did not take place there, sir.
All right.
The total number of registered voters there is 219.
219.
Yes. PVC collected 188.
188.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any other? Okay, party agents, please. Yes, please. We start from the extra.
Tony Yoa again is my name. I represent the PDP. I also want to state that INEC, as local manufacturers, manufactured votes for APC in this election. The PDP won Orioma local government area. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Any other observation from party agents? All right. What party do you represent, please? No, please. These observations are specifically meant for party agents, please. Thank you. So the LGA collation officer, please, can you forward the results and the necessary particulars for that result, where the election could not hold? Thank you. 01 West. 01 West. Sorry, 01 East. Sorry, 01 East. I'm sorry, please.
Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Stella Ole, Electoral Officer, Onwa East Local Government.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Abubakar Danladi Isa from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I served as the Collation Officer for Owan East Local Government Area for the 2024 governorship election in Edo State, which was held yesterday. In Owan East, there are 11 wards, and the results is as follows. Total number of registered voters, 106,252. 106,252. Number of accredited voters, 34,618. 34,618. Discussed according to the political parties. Party A, 0. Party A, 0. Party AA, 0. Party AA, 0. Party AAC, 4. Party AAC, 4. Party ADC, 37. Party ADC, 37. Party ADP, 34. Party ADP, 34. Party APC, 19380. Party APC, 19380. Party Abga 25. Party Abga 25. Party APM 2. Party APM 2. Party APP 3. Party APP 3. Party BP 2. Party BP 2. Party LP 446. Party LP 446. Party NNPP 4. Party NNPP 4. Party NRM 17. Party NRM 17. Party PDP 14189. Party PDP 14189. Party PRP 7. Party PRP 7. Party SDP 0. Party SDP 0. Party YPP 2. Party YPP 2. Party ZLP 5. Party ZLP 5. Total valid votes 34157. Total valid votes 34157. Rejected votes 420. Rejected votes 420. Total vote cast 34577. Total vote cast 34577. The result is duly signed by me and the party agents present. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prof. Thank you. Please, a quick one. Was there any polling unit or ward where there was no election, or the election was held but it was cancelled? Please.
No.
Thank you.
None.
Party agents, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. O1 West. Esako East. Esako East.
My name is Don Etogudo, Electoral Officer, Esako East.
My name is Professor Kazim Adeyinka Salako from FUT Mina. I'm the Local Government Collation Officer for Esako East. Sir, Esako East Local Government has 10 RA, registration areas. The total number of registered voters in the local government area is 102,754. 102,754. Number of accredited voters 35084. 35084. Votes received by political parties. Party A, 1 vote. Party A, 1 vote. AA, 3 votes. AA, 3 votes. AAC, 2 votes. AAC 2 votes. ADC 4-8. ADC 4-8. ADP 3-6. ADP 3-6. APC 20167. 20167. ABGA 3-8. ABGA 3-8. APM 0-0. APM 0 votes. APP 0. APP 0. BP 6 votes. BP 6 votes. LP 604. LP 604. NNPP 326. NNPP 326. NRM 4 votes. NRM 4 votes. PDP 9683. 9683. PRP 2 votes. PRP 2 votes. SDP 1 vote. SDP 1 vote. YPP 3 votes. YPP 3 votes. ZLP 2 votes. ZLP 2 votes. Total valid votes 30926. 30926. Rejected votes 435. Rejected votes 435. Total votes cast 31361. 31361. Thank you. The result sheets were duly signed by me and all party agents present.
Thank you very much, Professor, please. Was there any polling unit or ward where there was no election or election took place but the results were cancelled?
There was none, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Party agents, please. Okay. The man at the extreme end, thank you.
Tony, you are of the PDP. This result, if you watch the expose by Osita Chidoka a couple of months ago, it will remind you of the Kogi elections. So please, you will see a lot of manufacturings like this when you hear ASACO. There are more coming like this. We reject this result. This is not a true reflection of what happened yesterday. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any other observation, please? The LGA Collation Officer, please present the results. Thank you. ESACO Central. ESACO Central. Yeah. Is the Collation Officer around? Oh, all right. Please, introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the LGA Collation Officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Modi Godfrey, Electoral Officer, ESACO Central.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Professor Likita Tanko from the Federal University of Technology, Mina. I served as the Local Government Collation Officer for ESACO Central in the 2024 governorship election, which held yesterday, Saturday, the 21st of September 2024. There are 10 wards in ESACO Central LDA, and the results obtained are presented as follows. The number of registered voters, 59,430. 59430. Number of accredited voters, 21,465. 21465. And the votes received by the respective political parties are as follows. A 0. AA 1. AAC 1. ADC 20. 20. ADP 15. 15. APC 11,906. 11906. APGA 20. 20. APM 1 vote. APP 1 vote. BP 0. LP 381. 381. NNPP 10. 10 votes. NRM 13. 13. PDP 8,455. 8455. PRP 11. 1. SDP 0. YPP 1. ZLP 15. 15. The total valid votes are 20,851. 20851. Rejected votes, the total number is 294. 294. Total votes cast, the total is 21,145. 21145. Returning officer, sir, these are the results from ESACO Central.
Thank you very much, Prof. Thank you. Was there any polling unit or ward where election was conducted and results were cancelled, or there was no election at all? And if there is any, you give us reasons for either the cancellation or why the result, the election was not held in that place.
A returning officer, sir, no result was cancelled in Esako Central.
Thank you.
But there was an incident.
Okay.
The incident was lack of access to the venue of the election due to heavy rainfall. That took place at the name of the polling unit is South Uneme 1, Ogbato Playground, Okpobili, Ogbato.
Number of
access road.
PVCs or registered voters there?
Number of registered voters, 162.
PVC collected?
153. 153.
Thank you. Party agents, any comments, please? Okay, from the extreme and then the last man over there.
My name is Tony Ioha. I represent the PDP. I would like to state emphatically that all these votes mentioned here, 90% of the votes are manufactured votes, used or accrued to APC without beavers. From 260 something to 290 something, I'm telling you, units by units, from Oakville down to everywhere. They are manufactured votes to inflate the APC figures. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. The man, yes, please.
Thank you, sir. My name is President Agbohan for the ZLP. First question. The votes on IRF from Esako Central and the one just read is different, particularly for ZLP and even for our sister party, Labour Party. So we're asking, where is our votes?
Thank you very much. Any other comments? The LGA Collation Officer, please, can you hand over the results to... Thank you.
Returning officer, sir, the results were duly signed by me and the respective party agent.
Thank you. The Collation Officer, LGA, Esako Central, please. Esako West. Esako West. Right. Thank you. The EO introducer, then you hand over the mic to the LGA Collation Officer. Please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Adumo Prosper, the Electoral Officer, Esako West Local Government Area.
The Returning Officer. My name is Professor John J. Musa from Federal University of Technology, Mina. Returning Officer for Esako West. Collation Officer, sorry, sir. Thank you for the correction.
Please go ahead.
Number of registered voters.
Number of votes or RAs in that local government area, please.
We had 12 RAs. Yes, sir.
So go ahead.
Total number of registered voters, 186,449. I repeat again, 186,449. Accredited voters, 54304. 54304. 04. Party A 15. Party A 15. Party AA 06. Party AA 06. Party
Is this 06?
06.
Thank you.
Party AAC 16. Party AAC 16. Party ADC 175. Party ADC 175. Party ADP 86. Party ADP 86. Party APC 32107. Party APC 32107. APGA 67. APGA 67. APM 08. APM 08. APP 06. APP 06. Party BP 09. Party BP 09. Party LP 2116. Party LP 2116. Party NNPP 32. Party NNPP 32. Party NRM 39. Party NRM 39. Party PDP 17483. Party PDP 17483. Party PRP 16. Party PRP 16. Party SDP 06. Party SDP 06. Party YPP 09. Party YPP 09. Party ZLP 30. Party ZLP 30. Total valid votes 52226. Total valid votes 52226. Rejected votes 1188. Rejected votes 1188. Total vote cast 53414. Total vote cast 53414.
Thank you very much. The LGA coalition officer. Please, was there any polling unit or ward where there was election and the result was cancelled, or there was no election at all?
There was
and
none.
reason, if there is any, there was none. Thank you. Thank you. Comments from the party agents, please. Party agents. Oh.
Tony Iyoi is my name. I'm representing the PDP. I think this result speaks for itself. You heard when he announced the figure for APC, the audience, they were murmuring, they were laughing when that figure was announced. So we would like to know if we could ask, I know it's not my place to ask questions or to ask questions, where these figures came out from. This is taking the art of manufacturing to the highest level. Where these figures came out from. Look at the turnout and compare it to the turnout for other local governments. So I also want to please beg that we know two recent events, not so recent. We saw what happened during June 12 when collation of results were stopped at some point. And last year, we also saw what happened during the general elections. The activities of INEC in recent times pushed this country to the precipice. And when the people get at a time, they have to react. And I want to assure you, none of you on the high table, including us here, is going to be spared when this whole thing conflagrates. It is not a true reflection of what happened yesterday in Esako. I make bold to say, and I say that we reject in its entirety this total result from Esako West. Thank you.
Thank you. The man with the white.
Thank you, sir. My name remains President Ike Bokham from ZLP. You do ask the presenter whether there were words that were cancelled or what's the reasons. I think a follow-up should also be whether there were beavers used in all the units or whether they were manual. That's also a very important question.
It is noted. I think we can make progress. Okay, please.
Thank you. I represent APC here. Well, the result that is just announced is a true reflection of what happened at the FID yesterday. It is not anybody's fault. If you throw away something that strongly belongs to you and expect you to get results, that local government has been a local government in Edo North and most times in Edo State that has always had the highest turnout of votes. But as at the time the number 2 man of this state crossed to my party, I expected that the votes would be boosted. And that is what you are seeing here today. So it's a true reflection. Unfortunately, that is where I vote. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Please, the LGA, please. You can tender the result sheet. The distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have been able to cover 16 local government areas. We have, please, one house, we have a balance of 2 LGAs. On this note, I'm not too sure whether they are ready because I understand they are still on the field. And so, collating all the results. With your permission, I want to crave your indulgence that we go on recess By the time we have information that they are ready, we reconvene in this hall so that we continue with the collation, after which you will still have to wait patiently so that we put our votes together from this end that you are already aware of, and then we declare the winner of the election. Thank you very much. Please, there is no question, please. All right. When do you think? Please, ladies and gentlemen, we want to plead with you. We may not be able to give you definitive time at which. But you have to allow me to finish. The reason being that the officers are still on the field. They are still on the field, and nobody have access to these people now. So we can't give information that is not correct. Fine. Can we reconvene at 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock, please. 5. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Chairman, we don't day here since. We don't stand getting back for this place. And you don't listen well. The announcement where we say all the results don't carry 16 local governments and it can't remain 2. So far, so good. How you take rate INEC for this election?
Yeah, from the beginning, INEC, they started this process. They've been doing well, and the election of yesterday was the freest and the fairest election I've ever seen in this state. And I pray that they continue like this. And if INEC continue like this, I think Nigeria is heading somewhere good when it comes to our electoral process.
It gets area where the PDP man, they contest. How you see that area? Because the way they contest, I be like say, get full confidence, say, Mago, they hand this and the matter. How you see it?
Well, like I have always said, the PDP, they are a sinking party both in Edo State and in Nigeria. So they will want to cling on to anything. They want to cling on to anything as they are drowning. The point is, they keep talking of manufacturing. And the reason why they are saying so is because there have been a lot of MOUs in this government. There has been a lot of MOUs. And today, maybe they are going to bring the Chinese who are supposed to manufacture as long as this thing is concerned. But as I speak, they have nothing to say.
What will be your hope for the 2 political parties who remain where they never cause so?
Well, everybody should work hard. And from the beginning, we have said it, that Senator Monday Okpewolo is going to form a government of unity. And everybody will be brought on board. And there will be healing process that will continue from this evening. And again, everybody will be happy once again. The whole state will come together once again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. Oga Omede, you don't day here since yesterday. And your party still remain Labour Party. And the 6 cause one of the get since. How you don't look this announcement for 16 local government for Edo State will be yesterday election when it happened.
You know what is going on here. It's a giant fighting a giant. Well, this 16 local government result so far, we won't have no comment. We won't have no comment at all. All I know that the INEC, they've done their best in this election. The people play their part. They are the one giving out the votes. So we won't have no comment now. Until the final result, we'll make our comment. As far as we are concerned, the INEC has done well. Done well. Better than what they have done before. With the new development now, if they can keep it up and improve on it, the next election will be great. As far as I'm concerned, this is one of the best elections.
Okay, so make I ask you this question because I see that you be director of campaign organization for Oluwakbata, Abi, and I see the way una campaign well, una book round, and people receive una well. And this area where we say, Olu come from Oredo, and they partly come from Bubaka, and you come from Oredo, and you they partly come from Bubaka, and the place where they say, una campaign they go since, he high well. And you know the people who register for Bubaka, over 400,000, and they never got that result, and the two local government remain so. And Oredo come be second. You don't think the Labour Party get big hope to get vote from those two political parties to cover the area where we say their numbers never increases?
From the football game of APC and PDP, you can tell that the referee is always to be blamed if one is losing. You can see that in this hall, how it's playing out right now, whereby people objection. Let's see how it plays out. Oredo is our stronghold, but like I said, the two football team, the APC and PDP, they are on the field playing the ball. The referee is INEC. INEC is doing the right thing, but when one loses, they will blame the referee. Let's wait for the result of Oredo and Ikobaka.
Okay, if by later the someone could come by 5 o'clock, they will continue to read the other two when it remain. And at the end of the day, the candidates will be say win the election for the party, they call him mad and they announce her. You, as the DG to Olu Akpata and Olu Akpata and your party, una go congratulate and accept the result of that election.
Oh, for sure. We are ready to congratulate anyone that wins. Any winner that emerged today, right, we will congratulate that person. And we are willing to work with them. Whichever party that wins today, we are willing to work with that party. We are not going to stress them. We are not going to stress any party. Whoever come out victorious is the government of the people. We have to be there to support and make our contribution to the government.
Okay, thank you very much. Former council chairman of Oredo. When he do 3 years for Oredo, now see everything suburb of Oredo, and he's still Degriba, he's still young, and I'm will bring many things that time. Come Oredo, and he open some areas, he open some people's eyes, he do their take over local government. And the man will say, he even see a location, he terror for Oredo. Now God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Yeah, my people, we done the one sign out for this first half. The INEC don't call 16 local governments. When the bill say all the results don't come for the three major political parties and others. The three major political parties now, Labour Party, PDP, and APC. And the result we don't come out don't make some persons believe say we don't win, we don't lose. Some people they contest the results, some people they argue the results, some people say they go court. You know, in every contest, they'll say court open for you. INEC don't promise us say by 5 o'clock we go enter the second half to finish the two other local governments will be there called Bubaka and Oredo, and I know say the result when they come for that place. Now Yakata. My name still remain Articulate Patron, TMC TV radio podcast, Pioli Pidgin.
Okay, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome back to the continuation of the collation of results from our local government areas. As at the time we went on recess, it was clear that we have only 2 local government areas pending. That is Oredo and Epogoga. Without wasting much time, those are the 2 local governments we are going to consider now. And from there, we will now proceed to start putting our results or the votes on the result sheets, after which we'll announce the results. So we want to thank you most sincerely for your patience, your endurance, your perseverance, for staying behind up to this time, so that you get to hear the results we are going to collate. The procedures have not changed. We are still going to operate within the ambit of the law, and we are going to follow the same pattern. And so, without wasting much time, we have the EO of the Oredo local government, and then the LGA Collation Officer. So please, Madam, you introduce yourself and your status. Then LGA Collation Officer will also introduce, and then go ahead to start reading the results. Thank you. Please.
My name is Mrs. Benedict Antonio, the Electoral Officer, Radio.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Olurotimi Adebowale Kemiki. I'm the Local Government Coalition Officer for Oredo Local Government. Oredo Local Government has 12 wards. The summary of the results are as follows. Total number of registered voters, 356,242. 356,242. Number of accredited voters, 64802. 64802. Votes as recorded by parties. A.
Please, sorry, Prof. Registered voters is what?
356,242.
Okay. Okay. I didn't hear the. Sorry about that, please.
Thank you, sir. Party A. Three eight. A 38. AA 63. 63. AAC 58. 58. ADC 192. ADC 192. ADP 92. ADP 92. APC 30780. 30780. ABGA 523. 523. 523. APM 32. 32. APP 23. 23. BP 59. 59. LP 5389. 5389. NNPP 8888. NRM 72. PDP 24938. 24938. PRP 3131. SDP 231. YPP 6060. ZLP 3434. Total valid votes 62703. 62703. Rejected votes 1339. 339. Total votes cast 64042. 64042. Thank you.
Thank you, the LGA Collation Officer. Thank you. Was there a particular polling unit or ward where there was no election, or election took place and results were cancelled, and then the reason for such? All right. None? Thank you. Party agents, please. Yes, sir, please.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Dr. Tony Iyoha. I stand to represent the PDP as state coalition agent. This is my local government, so I will be holding the mic for a couple of minutes. And I want everybody to listen very carefully. I was called while we were during the first session of this exercise, precisely at 11, by the EO, that I should call my agent, that they were about to start collating OREDO results for my local government. My agent has since been here. I called the EO severally for my agent to be granted access to join them in this coalition that was never supposed to happen here, according to INEC laws, INEC regulations. He has been outside and he is still outside. He hasn't been granted access into these premises. And then you collate a result that we are not involved in. We won this election in OREDO by miles. Miles. How would, in this city, metropolitan city, APC get these votes? It's not possible. Our people are a very, very civilized people. What they have done here, I will reveal to you when we continue for the last local government, and I will point it out to you. This is disgraceful. This is shameful, to say the least. It's shameful if this is how, this kind of state or this kind of country we are going to bequeath to our children. They would ask us questions one day. All of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Any other?
My name is President for the Zenith Labour Party. I'm a bit more confused because you have not asked the officer why he delayed. Because the polling unit the area is collating. It's just like a true story where 5 hours journey have delivered his own result. It's just coming. And when I saw him, I said, they didn't use a professor. So when he introduced himself as a professor, I became shocked. And I'm doing my PhD, and I've just told myself I don't need to be a professor. This is very disgraceful. You should explain why the delay. Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It is noted. Thank you, sir.
My name is Jared Tenebe. I represent APC here. I am surprised when the agent of PDP keep mentioning APC. And openly just now he said that this is a metropolitan city that is surprised that APC we have votes like this. And he is from the same local government. I can make bold to tell you that all through the campaign, he was nowhere to be found because he's alleged to be one of those people that killed the police at the airport, and he has been on the run. And for the information, please, I must say this, please. I have to say this.
Please.
I have to say this.
Please.
I have to say this, please.
I am begging you, please.
I have to say this because I also have to let the police know that after the collation, he's one of those that is alleged to have killed that police at the airport. Please.
Please. I think party agents, please, we can do better. What we should be doing here is to raise issues concerning results. I think we should avoid issues that are not in tandem with what we are doing, please. please, please, please. The party agent for PDP, please, except if you have something new, you are not to respond to this, please. I'm begging you, please. Please, something different, not personal, please. Okay, sir. Please, so that we don't waste time here, please.
Thank you, sir. I will not join issues with someone that is a beneficiary of this fraud. Is an active participant of this. When it goes low, I will go high. Sir, the Oredo results, I can see a column signed by PDP here. Our agent is outside. Our agent has not had access to this building since these results were moved from Oredo, from the wards. The results, only 2 wards out of 12 got to Oredo Collation Center. The remaining wards were brought here directly. The agent, the Oredo local government area agent, has not had access to this building and make bold to say. So this fraud, I repeat, this manufacturing of votes continues. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please, like I said before, I want us to be very, very matured and diplomatic in this case. Like I said, please, I want to repeat it. There are questions that have been raised. The truth about it is that if really we know our role here, this is not a court of law. I just want to attend to some of the issues the last man raised. It is not a court of law where somebody will be kept in a box for interrogation. Our simple job is for us to collate results, and you can see fundamental questions we have been asking here. Those are the only questions that we can ask as far as this exercise is concerned. And this exercise must continue. It has to go. We must do it to complete what we are supposed to do here. So any other issue, please, like I said before, document this and make it available to our INEC. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, please. Thank you. Any other observation? All right. LGA Collation Officer, please tender the results. Is Okpoba here? Okpoba local government? Is it Okpoba? I've said, please permit, don't mind me. I'm not too familiar with. Please. Okpoba. Okpoba. Just bear with me, please. So long as you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you. Gentlemen and ladies, please let me show you something here. This is the result sheet. It's still sealed. What I want to simply do is open this in your presence, and then we begin to record results, because if we stay here and say we want to go on recess again, it means we will have to extend this exercise till tomorrow. So please, with your permission, it's sealed. It is sealed. I'm going to open it before everybody here, and then we'll now begin to record the results that are already on the screen. So please. Again, Ladies and gentlemen, this is the declaration result sheet. It is also sealed. Please, you bear me witness. This is from EC8D.
All right, yeah. Articulate patriots don't stand Gidigba again. For the second half, when they say we don't do first half, when they take collate 16 LGAs when they collate. Instead of 16, APC can begin to win 10 LGAs, while PDP they win 6 LGAs. It can remain 2 where they will begin call for the last lap. We make the second half to now declare the winner who can win the contest since the campaign till this day of 22nd September 2024. Make una not forget, say we get 3 political parties where stand Gidigba all this while they fight, they campaign for this very day. And among the 3 of them and others, now one they go emerge as the governors of the governor of Edo State come November 12. And this very moment, with what we don't get for granted today, 17 local government they don't collect, including one of the 2 where they be promised say if they come back, they go announce the 2 results, Oredo and Bubaoka. And what we see now in a very clear case that APC, your Progressive Congress, don't they win 11 local government area, while PDP they did the lap of 6 local governments, including one. It will come be 17, and when it gets to 17, the last one. Now we they wait for so will be Bobaka local government. When it be say their registration for INEC voters cards now about 440 something voters they get for that local government. So we just believe say waiting that they bring, they come from that area, it go large well. That vote go determine whether APC go beat PDP nyaga nyaga or PDP go crawl to come make shoulder with APC with the result where they grant. So now make we let you understand say how many votes they don't bring for Redo so where they say they don't call. Make people they begin to understand. Our Progressive Congress APC get 30,780. People Democratic Party PDP get 24,938. Labour Party, whether they call LP, now this place they can get the highest votes for the local government. Because don't forget say Olumide Akpata that local government income from for was 6 income pool, and the party called Jonah put this vote 5,389. Now we dey wait for Bobawaka to come be the last local government where they go call to come declare who get the highest vote to become the winner, either Labour Party, PDP, or APC. Right now, all of them they watch the collation officers, the returning officers, the REC, which is the host, and the national officers, even commissioner for police for the state in the year. The DSS boss for here, she did that place. Every other person will be say this matter concern, they did this place. Even the people where they call civil defense, they are got pata, it turned out for this place. Road safety, got pata, it turned out for this place. Even these people where they for immigration, custom, they did this place. All of them are security agents, whether they call for the state, where they form chief security officers for the state. Right now, when I go begin to watch them for the high table, where they do the collation, when I go see what they display to now, and they call register, where be say now clean it take on. And all the local government where they don't collect, call their resources, call their number, they go enter for that sheet. And at the end of the day, when we say they don't enter and they'll call 2 plus and minus, they'll call calculate the highest, they'll call the winner who win. They will let everybody understand, say, see the vote where this one pull, see the vote where this one pull, see the vote where this highest pull. They'll continue to declare the winner. Now make sure they watch this. So if you don't not get some, make sure not worry. They do their work there, make sure check care for what they do, because at this very point, anybody if you do mago, if you do wuru because waiting that they do there now paper and barrel where you know they see, me not they see, but we they see their image for high table there. Make sure open the eye down, we'll bring the final stage for all what you want to put today. When the business so go say, hey yo, congratulations. So go say, hey yeah, my name still remain the articulate patriot of TMC TV radio podcast, purely pidgin. We could never go, but we not forget say, as we see her, that's how we they talk her. We know they take blame. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to the recess due to, we are waiting for the last local government to finish collating their results. And finally, they are here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we won't waste time. I think we'll just invite the EO to introduce himself, after which you hand over the mic to the LGA Collation Officer to introduce himself and continue with the presentation of results. Thank you.
My name is Gamble A. James. I'm the Electoral Officer, Igboboka Local Government Area. Thank you.
Good evening, all. My name is Professor Philip Ayuba, a professor of architecture from Federal University of Technology, Mina. I am the local government area collation officer of Okobaba, Oko. The local government has 10 wards, and the is as follows. Number of registered voters, 392,782. 392,782. Number of accredited voters, 61,437. 61,437. Then the distribution according to the parties that participated in the election. Party A, 88. Party A, 88. Party AA, 90. Party AA, 90. Party AAC, 56. Party AAC, 56. Party ADC, 244. Party ADC, 244. Party ADP, 149. Party ADP, 149. APC, 16338. APC 16338. Party APGA 1216. Party APGA 216. Party APM 31. Party APM 31. Party APP 61. Party APP 61. Party BP 64. Party BP 64. Party LP 4026. 4026. Party NNPP 368. Party NNPP 368. Party NRM 108. Party NRM 108. Party PDP 26382. Party PDP 26382. Party PRP 307. Party PRP 307. Party SDP 127. Party SDP 2127. Party YPP 79. Party YPP 79. Party ZLP 50. Party ZLP 50. Total valid votes 48784. 48784. Rejected votes 1455. Rejected votes 1455. Total votes cast 50239. 50239. Thank you. Yes, sir. One ward, Ward 2, Oregbeni, was cancelled and all the parties were scored 0.
Yes, sir.
I represent APC in this coalition. The word, the question, if the elections were held, we would have been able to close the gap and also win the election without the problem. That is one. In some local government, we are just trying to look down that by the time we get the certified true copies of the proper accreditation from the givers, we will know the steps we are going to take further. But this is not the place to talk about givers now. Thank you.
Thank you very much, please, sir.
I see that you got me a second. My name is Tony Osai. I represent the village myself. I just like to put this water. We have the speaking for example. And we recall this exercise for another 10 a.m. this morning, and then we went for break at 3. Because our employment officer told us that the remaining 2 local government we have to finish this consultation. We check the time now, it's almost 9 p.m. We collate the result for the Kuwawa, here we are sitting. Whereas the result that comes from the South West will get here in at least 4 hours. Oh, please, tells you kind of step us right. This is for our Oredo, the last one that was declared as 17. It's 100 million away. These results have been with INEC since yesterday. They call these results in.
Sir, please, can you address the chair? No,
Yes.
I'm not stopping.
I wish I had a microphone. It's good that the whole world knows this. So please, I do not know how we put everybody here to suffer all day when these things could have been read in the morning. On the final note, sir, I will just beg that INEC for once follow this rules. I'm standing on Article 62, sir, of the INEC Rules and Regulations of 2022. I'd like to demand the suspension of the declaration of the EDO governorship election result pending determination and resolution of margin of litigation.
Can you say that with the mic?
I don't have a mic.
There is no mic there.
I wish to demand for the suspension of declaration of the EDO governorship election result pending determination and resolution of the margin of litigation. These Gobaoka and Oredo results were definitely held back because of numbers, so they could play with the numbers. We wish to write to request for the suspension of the ongoing collation and declaration of September 21st, 2024 global election in Edo State. Following the revelations that the margin of lead in final results to date are far below the total number of leads collected including where elections do not hold or were cancelled. Section 62 of INEC regulation and guidelines for the conduct of elections provides for the margin of lead requirement to be satisfied as a precondition for the final declaration of the result. Evidently, elections were cancelled but could not hold a total of 162 polling units across 50 LGUs in Edo State. The second task we hereby did.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sorry, I'm not done. We hereby demand for a suspension of final declaration and the decision of the Commission for appropriate review of results and be done accordingly.
Thank you very much.
It was a case of numbers so that the threshold would not be met. That is why these results were parameted left and right.
Thank you very much.
Your job is to put it. I've made my demand.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. 7, 8, 3, 9, 1. Please give us the result. LGA. Sir, what is the observation, please? Go ahead.
Prof, the first observation we have.
Yes, sir, please. Go ahead, please.
The observation we have is that you are not compassionate with your colleague because he has been just came. You don't know where he has been. He has not explained to you. or to us why they delay. You have to be compassionate. You're Africa. And also, sir, logistics for election is quite huge. You're a professor, and I'm sure a research will be commissioned whether we ought to run a totalitarian government. But it's now obvious that opinions of oppositions or minorities are not recorded. Now, election has been conducted, so much amount spent. We are back, forth, and we are not moving forward. So, don't you think that elections 4 years in, 4 years out is a waste of resources?
Thank you very much.
Have one person who will be there.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. It is noted, but I think we have made our point very clear that all issues, make them available formally. What we are simply doing here, and I want to repeat, is that we are collating results from various local governments. And we have to make progress in this. Whatever observations or complaints you have, you are to present this thing formally to the commission. And that is what is tenable. But on the lighter note, I want to sincerely apologize, and I think I have said it time without number, that we apologize for keeping you longer than necessary. And I think you have accepted our apology. I don't know why you have to revisit that issue. Thank you very much. Please.
392 782
392
782 61.
You can go.
61437
61437 3437
88 90 56 127
No for it, just
79 50 48784 48784 1455 1455 50239.
Party agents. Come with your pen. They will sign on that.
Now we don't witness the final results. We be say that Bobakana come last, so we be say to complete the 18 local government for Edo State, where they collect this morning. 17 local government don't take the bar for granted since we can't take patiently for over 2 hours to wait for the Bobaka local government election results. And finally, Bubaka can record for APC, 16,336. Labour Party, LP, 4,026. PDP, People Democratic Party, can record 26,382. With this one, we can see and say, Ikbobahoka local governments, PDP defeats the two other political parties, whereby the three political parties defeat the other political parties we contest for this election. And what they see now, they say agents don't begin signing their column. Where we say all of that sit down Gidigba for this place to see say the collation go cool, and those where we say their mind not sweet for the result and how they take collect the result. I believe say they not go sign, and those where we say their mind sweet cool for the matter. I think they see Labour Party agents in the poor hand for the paper Gidigba. Another political parties they put their hand Gidigba. Even All Progressive Congress APC agents, that one put one for the paper Gidigba. Say they're just satisfied with what they read.
Is to the chairman.
Those who be said they're not satisfied, they declined their signing, they're not resign. Make we still dey watch, and I think the final stage where we dey so that it is where they go call the main result to declare the person who win the election right away. So they say I'm now the returning officer. Don't begin show everybody the collation of the results for year where we dey so. He don't begin let them understand say all the things where we record from one local government to the last one we make 18 local governments. They dey here Gidigba. Not be say one local government, not this other local government.
EC8E.
All the things where they happen for here.
That is the form that we are going to fill for the declaration of the winner of the election, please. You can see it's sealed. It has not been opened, and so we're going to open it now.
We are sorry. We will make copy for you.
Why should I take a copy? Why should I take a copy? There's something funny. I don't like that. People that didn't sign, you gave them a copy. Those that signed, you didn't want to give a copy. What is funny here? Please. I need my respect. I should be given one now. I should be giving one right now. Fill it again and give it to me, please. If not, something is funny.
So please, I'm from the NFP. I will also stay here.
Yeah?
I said I'm from the NFP. I will stay with him also. That's why I give him a collect money.
No, complete, but it's not showing again.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to go straight to the announcement of the results and subsequent declaration of the winner. And so I start. I, Professor Farouk Adamukuta, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2024 Edo State Governorship election held on the 21st of September 2024. That the election was contested. The candidate received the following votes. Party A, 222 votes. Party AA, 206 votes. Party AAC, 273 votes. Party ADC, 1,956 votes. Party ADP, 1,099 votes. Party APC, 291,667 votes. Party ABGA, 1,242 votes. Party APM, 151 votes. Party APP, 144 votes. Party BP, 217 votes. Party LP, 22,763 votes. Party NNPP, NNPP, 1,034 votes. Party NRM, 720 votes. Party PDP, 247,274 votes. Party PRP, 635 votes. Party SDP, 537 votes. Party YPP, 296 votes. Party ZLP, 254 votes. That Akwebola Monday of APC, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Signed by the returning officer, Professor Farouk Adamukuta, this day, 22nd day of September 2024. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Edo State. Thank you very much.
Please, the NFP. Please, the NFP.
I don't get this thing to take home now.
Where's my copy now?
I've been here since yesterday.
Where's my copy?
That this sign, they draw paper. For what now? What is
Sir, please, where's my copy? NFP.
Why?
We have a governor now who will respect our traditional rulers.
Yes.
We have a governor who is interested in developing the state.
Yes.
We have a governor who will march us to the promised land.
Yes.
Thank you. That's the way I feel. There is the proper place to go. That is the court.
So is the party ready to challenge?
Say again?
Is the party, are you people ready to face the challenge in court?
We are ready to go to court. We are ready to go to court anytime, any day. But I'm not sure because the margin is so wide that it is difficult for anybody to obtain this kind of result. For a free and fair election like this, it is the difficult thing.
Yeah, we don't round up for today's activities after the collation where they read the results of all the candidates when they contest the election for all the political parties. Come discover now say among all of them, one to emerge as the champion and the winner of the election wey turned out for 21st September 2024. And in name now, Monday, Bewolo alias Abakomisa under All Progressive Congress APC, it don't declare a winner where we say everybody don't say and say, wait till person they also they run up and down for since. At the end, maybe this one, after victory, after contest, you see victory, you see loser. And my name still remain Articulate Patron. Since 2 days ago that we don't dey here, everybody don't tire, everybody don't weak. We don't stand up for this place since, we don't round up for today. I say make I let you know say we dey sign out. Maybe we'll do some other interview with other people, but for the now, make we sign out, make we begin to wait for every other things when they come up. My name still remain Articulate Patron. TMC TV Radio Podcast, purely PJ.